After Digvijay Singh, now senior Congress leader and the former Information and Broadcasting Minister, Mr. Manish Tewari has used derogatory language which includes the premise of the Prime Minister. In an obscene comment posted on Twitter, the former Information and Broadcasting Minister took a jibe at the Prime Minister and his followers. Now the BJP has lashed out at the Congress, with senior leaders pinning the blame of this ugly social media war of words on Congress Vice President Rahul Gandhi.
Yes, I'm a bit surprised that because Manish Tewari has a reputation of being very sober and sensible. But the fact is that he is put out such a tweet shows that somebody else is orchestrating it. And the only person I can think who has the authority to make Manish Tewari make a fool of himself in public eye is Mr. Rahul Gandhi, who can say anything at any time because of his basic lack of education. So there is a genuine frustration in Congress that despite all the policy failures that they have been trying to point out, the country is solidly with BJP.
Now we have Manish Tewari ji accusing and abusing the Bharatiya Janata Party just because he is politically opposed to the party, but in the language which I cannot repeat over here. I believe since Mr. Manish Tewari is the official spokesperson of the Congress party, Mr. Sonia ji, who is the head of the Congress party, and Mr. Rahul Gandhi should explain. I firmly also believe that Mr. Jairam Ramesh was absolutely right when he stated that the Sultanate is gone, but the Sultans still behave as if they are the Sultans.
इस हल्के स्तर की कोई सीमा होती है, गिरावट की कोई सीमा होती है। राजनीति में आरोप प्रत्यारोप का कोई मापदंड होता है। प्रधानमंत्री जैसे सर्वोच्च पद में बैठे हुए व्यक्ति जो 24 घंटे देश के लिए सोच रहे हैं, इस प्रकार का नीचे स्तर का कार्यकर्ता, जो बड़ा कार्यकर्ता उसको मैं नहीं मानता, इस प्रकार के कमेंट्स कर रहा है, तो समाज में, देश में उसकी ऐसी प्रतिक्रिया होगी और निश्चित रूप से इस प्रकार की बातें राजनीति में नहीं होनी चाहिए।
The way they are spoiling the communal harmony and peace in this country, that should be told very plainly and clearly. Might be that is what Mr. Manish Tewari has also said. I haven't seen that, but I do not think that he is a person who ever use objectionable language.